Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to unlock pattern password in realme phone. So let us start our video. Firstly, you have to move up. You have to see here many app icon. Click on the setting icon. Then you have see many options. So you have to scroll down, click on the password and biometrics option. Click on the lock screen password option. Now draw your screen pattern lock first, which is already set up on your mobile phone. After that, if you want to unlock pattern password on your mobile phone, click on the turn off password option. Again draw your pattern lock like that, and when you click on the back option and when you turn lock your screen, then again unlock. In this way pattern password is unlocked in your mobile phone like that. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video. We will meet you soon with next video. Thank you.